forgiveness. I just need to stay inside my shell. Sick of hearing all your damn opinions. You can save that shit for someone else. You got me slipping, I feel anger, anger, anger is ripping apart my veins. Ranger, 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 all of my soul away. Everybody wants and everybody takes. I'm no different, I'm just here to raise the fucking stakes. So
get alive. Take a look at my eyes and tell me, do you feel alive? You may have to look what is going out of my mind. Yes, I'm walking the line, I'm so broken inside.
Don't be so terrified.
rainfall, wash my hollow heart away. Fate goes and it's screaming out my name. I can't go back. All at once sounds like silence. Bloodstained fields that glow like violence. Take me slow lately. I can't go back. Plague my thoughts are moving violent. So what peace? I just want right. Make me whole lately. I can't go back.
Lost my flesh and acquiesce, cause death brings a new. Oh, how it feels so heavenly compared to what I do to you. Want to get alive. Take a look at my eyes and tell me, do you feel alive? You may have to look what is going out of my mind. Yes, I'm walking a line.